Hello friends, this is the Tech Bite. Let's have today's bite. Friends, the next big Windows 10 version is the Creators Update, scheduled to arrive in April 2017. The latest news on the Windows 10 Creators Update features and UK launch date. Friends, if you are watching our channel first time, then, please click on the subscribe button and bell button for regular technology news, reviews and analysis. Friends, Windows 10 was released on the 29th of July 2015 and was followed by the free anniversary update on the 2nd of August 2016. The next big Windows 10 update is the Creators Update, another free download scheduled to arrive in spring 2017. Now in the final few weeks of waiting for Microsoft to fix the bugs and make the last few tweaks before releasing the Creators Update to the public, Microsoft is now advertising the update in the Windows Update section of the Settings app, with a message saying, "Good news! The Windows 10 Creators Update is on its way. Want to be one of the first to get it?" And a link which takes you to the Windows Insider website, offering the option to join the Insider program and download the preview of the update. This is completely free, but we'd recommend waiting until the finished public version is out around mid-April, especially if you'll install it on your main PC or laptop. Interestingly, as reported by WinSuperSite, Microsoft is seemingly going to push critical updates to Windows 10 PCs even if they are set to a metered internet connection. This is one trick that many users employ to prevent updates being automatically downloaded. It appears that this won't work, for critical updates at least, after you install the Creators Update. When is the Windows 10 Creators Update release date? Windows 10 Creators Update UK release date, the 11th of April 2017. About India release date, we don't have any official information yet, but rumored start of rollout. Microsoft has been working on the next big update to Windows 10 for some time and it was revealed in October 2016. Progress appears to be on track and, feature-locked, versions of Creators Update are currently under testing. According to sources close to Microsoft, as reported by MS Power User, the rollout will begin on the 11th of April. This might mean you'll have to wait longer, as the release will be staggered to avoid overloading the download servers, but if there's a way to install the update manually, as opposed to the method explained below, we'll update this article to explain how to do it. How to get Windows 10 Creators Update. Assuming your PC is already running Windows 10, you should receive the Creators Update automatically, since it's an update and updates in Windows 10 are installed when they're available. However, you can check for updates manually by going to Start, Settings, Update and Security, check for updates. The Creators Update will be available in the same place. If it's like previous major updates, you should also be able to download and install the update manually. To do this you'll need a USB flash drive with at least 4 GB of space, a portable hard drive or writable DVD. Now, download the tool from Microsoft. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC, then select the language, edition and whether you want 32 or 64-bit. You can then use the tool to copy the files to a bootable USB drive or a bootable DVD. Once this is complete you can boot from the drive or disk and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Windows 10 update. What are the new features? Here's a selection of the main features to look forward to when the Creators Update arrives in April. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft has detailed some more changes to its Edge web browser. Chief among these is native support for mixed reality and, specifically, WebVR. Websites are increasingly offering VR content, and when the Creators Update is released, Windows 10 users will be able to view this content in Edge without having to install a plugin. In fact, talking of extensions, Microsoft has given developers of add-ons access to more features and functions in the browser and, with a bit of luck, we'll start to see the library grow. Currently the list of extensions is relatively short. Another update to Edge is the ability to save and restore groups of tabs. The idea behind this is to reduce clutter and improve performance for people who tend to have a lot of tabs open. Instead of keeping lots of pages open, you can save a group of them, set them aside, and then return to them later on without having to search through your history or try to remember what you were looking at. It's not a killer feature for everyone, but for some it will be a compelling reason to use Edge over another browser. 3D content. 3D content was a focus for Microsoft, with Windows 10 focusing greater on 3D content, which spans to Paint and PowerPoint too. And yes, Paint got a fresh lick of paint, pun intended. You can now create 3D shapes in Paint and share them directly with your social followers, or SketchUp network. Better still, print them directly on your 3D printers. Nifty. Here's a brief look at how it will work. Holographic interface. Arguably the biggest new feature is the new Windows holographic interface. Microsoft announced that Dell, Lenovo, HP, Asus and Acer will be making affordable VR headsets for Windows 10 which will cost as little as $299, There's not much known about the interface, but we'll add more here as soon as we can. Blue light reduction. Android, iOS and Amazon's mobile operating systems all have a feature which reduces blue light at night, so it's not too surprising that Microsoft is planning to add such a feature to Windows. If anything, it's long overdue. Built-in broadcasting. Watch out Twitch, Microsoft are out to get you. With the Creators Update, you will be able to set up a live stream using Beam. You will be able to interact with users easily and will also be able to create tournaments with friends. Pin people to the taskbar. This might seem trivial to some, but to others will be extremely useful. You will now have the option to pin people to the taskbar, enabling you to quickly drag and drop files to your contacts by taking these files to the taskbar. Ebooks. Coming soon to Windows is the ability to buy and read ebooks. It appears that Microsoft will add ebooks alongside apps, games, music, movies and TV sections within a unified Windows store. App throttling. Insider Preview Build 15,002 adds dozens of new features, one of which is an interesting app throttling control. It's not available to all users yet, but it gives priority to the apps in focus, and deprioritizes background apps so they use up too many of your computer's resources. Game mode. Game mode appears to do a similar thing, prioritize the game that's running and devote as much processing time, RAM and other resources to making it run as fast as it can. This could be a boon only if you have an older PC, but we'll have to wait and see. Microsoft says that, our vision is that game mode optimizes your Windows 10 PC for an improvement in overall game performance. Your browser doesn't support HTML5 video. Other updates for gamers include built-in Beam streaming. Beam is Microsoft's alternative to Twitch, and the option will be added to the existing game bar, which you can pull up in Windows 10 when running a game by pressing Windows G. Plus, there will be a gaming section in the Settings app which will consolidate all the game-related Windows settings. Pause updates. Also new is the ability to pause updates not just until you are not using your PC or laptop, but for up to 35 days, but still not in the home version. Security Center. A brand new Security Center basically brings a lot of Windows security features together and makes them accessible from one easy-to-use dashboard. Much like an Internet Security Suite, it presents several icons for different types of security and then marks them with a green tick if that area is okay. If not, you will see a warning that action is required. It's said to play nice with third-party antivirus, so Microsoft isn't forcing you to use Windows Defender. Check out our best free antivirus to see how Windows Defender scores. The last features to be added to the Creators Update are Picture-in-Picture and Dynamic Locking. The former is actually called Compact Overlay Window, and will be familiar to anyone who has used the floating video window on an iPad or Mac OS Sierra. In fact, more and more apps are getting this function. YouTube lets you watch a tiny video while browsing for others on your phone, and you can now do the same in the Facebook app. Here's how it will look in Windows 10, and any app developer can add the functionality to their universal Windows apps. A second newly announced feature is Dynamic Locking. This will automatically lock your Windows 10 machine if your connected Bluetooth phone isn't detected in range. It means that if you walk away from your laptop, tablet or Bluetooth-equipped PC with your paired phone, it will lock it after 30 seconds and turn off the screen. One of the latest insider preview builds includes a couple of new features, support for 360-degree videos in the Films and TV app, and a new setting that can prevent the user installing Windows apps unless they're from the Windows Store. This is similar to the Gatekeeper feature in macOS and the Unknown Sources setting in Android, and is intended to help prevent malicious programs being downloaded and installed. Clearly, this will also benefit Microsoft as it will drive people to use the Windows Store, but it can be disabled easily enough. The Creators Update is codenamed Redstone 2, but already there are rumors of the next big Windows 10 update, Redstone 3. At a conference in Australia, Microsoft revealed a little more detail on when we can expect the follow-up to the Creators Update. Keep watching our channel, The Tech Bite, to know more about this news. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Friends, I need your support to create best quality content. So, please like, share and subscribe now.